Looking for a new source for your content creation strategy? In this video, we're going to show you how to set up an automation in n8n that turns PDF files into catchy social media posts. We'll start by setting up a trigger for our workflow. We need a way to kick off the events of our scenario, so we're going to use the schedule trigger node. Thanks to this node, we're going to be able to kick off our workflow at a predictable date and time of our choosing. For our next step, we want to access our PDF files. Now in your build, you can use Dropbox, Mega, or Google Drive for your file destination. For the purpose of this build, we saved our files to Airtable. We want to be able to easily access our saved files and to create a URL link that we'll be using later. To do that, we're going to use the search Airtable node. And all we're going to do is specify the base and the link we want to access, and then we'll run our scenario to make sure we get some results. Now that we've got our file, we want to extract the PDF file data to use in our social media post. To do that, we're going to use Dumpling AI's extract document endpoint. So we've got the API documentation in front of us, and as you can see, it's pretty detailed and extensive. It's taking our file's URL, and it's extracting each and every data we want from a prompt we'll give our LLM. The setup is pretty straightforward. We have our headers, our authorization, and a JSON body. Setting this up is going to be a long process, so we're going to copy the build we have in a previous demonstration and paste it in our current demonstration. So this is what our API call is going to look like. Our headers are here, our authorization is here, and we've got a JSON body with our file URL from Airtable. If you're worried about getting the JSON body, don't worry. This workflow is available as a template, so you won't have to worry about setting this up from scratch yourself. Let's execute this node to make sure our API is working. This is going to take a while, so we're going to wait a little bit. Our API seems to be working perfectly fine. We've now got the extracted details of our file, and now we're ready to send it over to our next step. Speaking of next steps, we're now going to turn our extracted summary into a catchy social media post. To do that, we're going to use the Anthropic Claude node. For your build, you can use whatever AI agent you're comfortable with, like ChatGPT or Grok. We're going to use the Haiku 4.5 module, and we're just going to put down our prompt and map the parts of our summary we want to use in our post. As you can see, we've been able to turn our file summary into an entertaining social media post ready for our channels. With that done, it's time for the most exciting part of our workflow, scheduling our posts to our social media accounts. After all, that is the point of what we're doing. To do this, we're going to add the official PostPulse node to our workflow, and we'll be using the schedule alight post action. Inside our PostPulse node, all we'll be doing is selecting the social media channel of our choice, and dragging and dropping our generated content from Claude. Let's execute this step to schedule our social media post. Our mistake, we forgot to set our scheduled date and time. Without that, we're not really scheduling anything yet. Let's fix that, and without further ado, re-execute our step. This time our execution was a success, and we've successfully scheduled our post to our Twitter account. Let's hop over to our PostPulse dashboard to confirm this. Our workflow works. We've taken a PDF file from Airtable, extracted its content with Dumpling AI, turned that extracted content into a social media post with Claude, and scheduled it to our social media channels with PostPulse. And just like that, we've successfully found a new content source for your social media campaigns. Like we mentioned earlier in the video, this workflow is available as a template. Comment PDF to socials, and you'll get this workflow as a template. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.